केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बने।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesaria Textile Company. Today's video I'm going to showcasing some of the beautiful collections in our starting range of silk variety, guys. At the range of 185 rupees to 700 rupees under, you're going to be getting these kind of the beautiful concepts. But today's video you're going to be getting under 400 rupees concept, guys. Yeah, because some of the customers are selecting these products and I take the opportunity to make the video on these kind of the under 400 rupees saree. So please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the varieties you're going to be not seen or you have seen many of the videos, YouTube videos, but today's video is going to be special because you have to compare those prices in the market, also compare our quality in the market, compare our service, guys, in the market, because we are one of the genuine manufacturers in today's textile industry market, guys. So guys, first of all, in my hand you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful pallu designs you're going to be getting, guys. See, beautiful varieties you're going to be getting, and apart from that, many of the concepts you're going to be getting, guys. See, many of the varieties you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful variety. See, guys, beautiful variety you're going to be seeing, and unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting, guys, in these kind of the beautiful variety. Like, see, guys, like at the range of like it's not only the 185 rupees, guys, 300 to 400, that kind of the ranges will be there in today's video. Like, see, in these kind of the beautiful concepts you're going to be seeing, like it will be the pallu. On that pallu you're going to be having these kind of the beautiful golden zaried work, and apart from that, in this kind of the whole body you want to be getting in these kind of the beautiful structural work you want to be getting, guys. See, length you want to be getting complete length, guys, because we are giving one of the genuine and the honest what I say activities or performance in today's market, guys. Like these kind of the unstitched blouse also you're going to get. Take the screenshot any of the concepts you're going to be liked and send it to the screen available number. Next variety I'm going to showcasing you, like in these kind of the beautiful unstitched blouse you're going to be getting. Like, see, guys, in this kind of the beautiful concepts you're going to be getting. See how beautiful it was this, and you're going to be noticing the same amount of border you're going to be getting, guys. See, unstitched blouse you're going to be getting in this kind of the variety with the beautiful contrasting designing also you're going to be get. The range I said you that all the range you're going to be getting like for under 400 rupees, guys. See, in this kind of the beautiful concept I have to say, see how beautiful it was this. If you want to be visit, then also you can come here, and if you're not able to come here, then we provide you online facility. Like the number is going to be available in screen. On that number you have to call those number, and they will send you the n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF, guys, with particular range also. And in these kind of the variety unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful concept you're going to be getting. Like, see, guys, in this kind of the variety, talking about the length, you're going to be getting complete length. There we're not providing you any kind of the cuttings or shootings or any kind of the damages or defectives in any of our series. We provide you the total concept, total beautiful concepts you're going to be getting, guys. See, last but not the least, one of the beautiful sarees I'm going to showcasing you. See, in this kind of the variety you're going to be getting, see, guys, beautiful kind of concept. And apart from that, many of the concepts you're going to be getting, guys. See how beautiful it was this. I have to show my viewers whole saree because this was the symbol of genuinity, symbol of genuineness. On that symbol you're going to be know that how the whole work in sari and how there will be not any kind of the damages and defectives in any of our saris. And apart from that, we provide you whole set wise, like in each set you want to be getting in these kind of the variety, like beautiful barcode systems also you want to be getting here. On that barcode systems, what will be the range, how many beautiful pieces you want to be getting, what will be the concepts, all you will be get at under one barcode system, guys. So any of the concepts you want to be liked, any of the varieties you want to be liked, then know me in our comment section. What will be the specific amount of investment you have to do to contact our company? Simple, 25,000 to 30,000 or the 50,000 or the 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. Many of our customers from abroad, like at the range of 50,000, lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, that kind of the investment or purchasing they are doing from us. Yeah, because we are some of the, you can say Kesaria Mega Mart, guys. Yeah, in this Mega Mart, 20 to 25 different ladies wear category you want to be getting, guys. Yeah, 20 to 25 different ladies wear category you want to be getting. And apart from that, many of the varieties we want to be having in our screen available number, so please call them, no need to hesitate, be frank to call the screen available number. Till there, see you in the next video, take care, goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने में। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।